Today we're solving one-step equations. The big idea is balance. Whatever we do to one side of an equation, we do to the other side. First example, x plus 6 equals 11. What is happening to x? We added 6. To undo plus 6, subtract 6. Write x plus 6 minus 6 equals 11 minus 6. On the left, plus 6 and minus 6 cancel out. On the right, 11 minus 6 equals 5. So x equals 5. Check it. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Correct! Next example. X minus 8 equals 3. What operation is attached to x? Subtracting 8. To undo that, add 8. Write x minus 8 plus 8 equals 3 plus 8. The 8's cancel, and 3 plus 8 equals 11. So x equals 11. Last example. 2x equals 14. Here, x is multiplied by 2. To undo multiplication, divide by 2. Write 2x divided by 2 equals 14 divided by 2. That gives x equals 7.